Hi, good day. I'm Sheen Castro from Minalin, Pampanga.
Alright, hi Sheen. So how are you feeling right now?
I feel overwhelmed and grateful to be here today.
Alright, this is not your first pageant, tama?
Yes, po.
Alright, why join Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide? Bakit ka sasali? Ano naging reason mo para sumali dito?
Mr. Filipinas Worldwide has a good opportunities. That's why I've joined Mr. Filipinas Worldwide this year.
Okay. So paano ka nag-prepare para sa final screening ngayon?
I prepare so much, especially today. Um, I sleep early. I go to the gym before I go to the final casting, just today.
Alright, okay. So, ano sa tingin mo yung magiging edge mo among sa ibang candidates?
I think wala po kasi. We are we are we are the same and different perspective in life. That's why there's nothing edge
Alright.
between among the aspirants.
Okay. Tell us tatlong interesting things about you.
Three interesting about me is I'm passionate about painting and creating mini blogs, and I love walking.
Alright. And then, ano ang comfort food mo at bakit?
My comfort food is sisig po.
Ang very pampang naman. Sisig. Bakit sisig?
Because yung sisig, yung anghang. Kasi one of my favorite is maanghang po talaga. And I want to share to others and to inspire them na kumain sila ng sisig at iyakayatin ko po sila. Dahil one of the comfort food din sa amin po sa Pampanga. Yun.
Okay. Last question. Saan ka namin makikita kung wala kang ginagawa or spare time mo?
Sa socials ko po, creating mini vlogs po and sa TikTok din, nagpo-post din po ako ng mga mini vlogs ko. Ayun po. Tsaka yung
Alright.
mga daily life po na ganap. And
Invite
so
mo naman
yun.
sila to follow yours or subscribe dun sa mga socials mo.
Hi, good day again, everyone. My name is Shin Castro, and you can follow me on my Instagram at Mr. Castro. Same with Facebook, Threads, and TikTok. Thank you so much.
Alright. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.